Hi everybody, welcome to my mommy's channel.
So guys, welcome back to my channel. Beauty by Ada here, and you guys are already welcomed. As my daughter said, you guys are highly welcome. If you're new to this channel, please be sure to click that subscribe button and click on the notification bell so that you know when next I post any new videos. I hope you will definitely like this channel. I do everything makeup and hair tutorials. So first I started off by parting her hair using my shine and jam. As you all know, for the OGs in this channel, you guys already know I use this shine and jam a whole lot because it not only helps you to part your lines to be so neat, it also moisturizes the hair. So I part out her hair because girl, you good girl, like this girl gave me a whole lot of trouble. She gave me a whole lot of stress. You know how kids can be, they can never sit still for you to do their hair, but thank God, thank God, thank God we pulled through. Okay, so it was just a hot mess in here, but we pulled through. So what I did first was to make sure to part out all her hair the way I wanted it to be, and I did not want anything much. I just wanted it to be as simple as possible because she wouldn't sit still for me to do her hair. So I just parted the hair and then use the band to hold them down so everything doesn't like mix up together. And then I started from the back. It's more like you're doing a feeding braid. There's nothing difficult there, there's nothing much there because it's more like you're doing a feeding braid. And then the only difference here in the normal feeding braid that you do, it's just like a normal feeding braid still, but then the only difference is just the way that the braid goes, and they call it the pop smoke inspired, because pop smoke always has that style of braid. So that's just basically what it is. So I started off from the back. I will definitely be rushing this part, but then I'll get to where I showed everything like in on a normal speed, speed up and everything. I'll definitely show you guys. So just keep watching because you will definitely get there. This girl gave me hell. Well, I wasn't expecting anything more from her. You know how kids can be. I wasn't expecting anything much from her because she's just 3. She just turned 3, so I don't expect her to sit still. And you guys, please don't mind my messy hair. As soon as I got done with their hair, I also did my own hair. If you haven't seen that video, I already posted that on my YouTube channel, doing a jumbo knotless box braid on myself, so you can also check that out, and I'll try and link it in the description box down below so you can check that out. We all had our hair day, and then I wanted to say, if you have any video requests, please do leave that in the comment section. Let me know what more of what you guys would like to see. I was thinking of doing like our hair routine because I don't know, this is more like the makeup tutorial beauty channel, so I don't really show my family much here, but I have a family channel which I'll be leaving in the description box down below. So if you want to see more of this Nigerian family living in the United States, just do go ahead and click that link and subscribe, and you will definitely enjoy that channel. We practically just have fun on that channel, okay? But then let me know in the comment section if you would like to see our hair wash routine, because I do have a schedule. Like I do it in such a way that we all have to wash our hair at once, and then I take care of it, do the necessary things that I need to do for hair growth. And I recently also published posted a video of the cream that I used to grow out my daughter's hair. Not this one, my first daughter. The cream, all the things that I used to grow out her hair after how many years of her hair not growing out, and I posted that video. You can go check that video out. Honestly, that would be the most helpful video ever, because I'm telling you firsthand, it happened to me. She did not have any hair, and then I did this, and man, you guys, you will not believe the difference in just 2 weeks that I started using that treatment on her. So it's free, you can check out. I listed everything in the description box in that particular video. I'll leave the link right here. I'll leave the link in the description box as well, so you can click that link in the description box and check that video out, guys. It's very helpful for anybody struggling with hair loss, hair growth, everything. That is so helpful. So do go ahead and watch that video. So as I was saying, do let me know in the comment section what you would like to see. If you like to see our hair wash routine, you know, all the hair, everything hair, how I grow my hair, because we all have natural hairs in our house. So for all my natural hair ladies, if you want any tips and tricks, just let me know in the comment section down below, and I will definitely put out that video for you guys. Just do let me know. So like I told you, this is more like starting off a feeding braid. So you can see it's just a feeding braid, but then the difference is just the style, the pattern. Oh, did I say the style, the pattern, the style, whichever one in which the braid goes. So that is basically what it is. So if you've gotten here to this video right now and you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and click that subscribe button and click on the notification bell so you don't miss my next upload, because I will be uploading. You guys already know I upload every Mondays, Wednesdays and Saturdays. So do go ahead, and sometimes I upload more than that depending on how my schedule for the week is. So do go ahead and click that subscribe button. What are you waiting for? You're welcome to my channel. You're welcome to the family. You're welcome to join the family. You're just so welcome here in my channel, and I hope you learn a whole lot. You're welcome. Click that subscribe button and click on the notification bell so you know whenever I post any new videos, you don't miss any upload from me. So after I finished, I went ahead to trim her hair to remove any excess hair. I did not bother applying hot water to her hair because you know kids are something else. She will never sit still. So please, if your child is under 5, do not even bother applying hot water on the hair. Just use your mousse. It will do the same job. It will be fine. It's just going to be fine. So please do not. And after that, you see me applying the mousse. I did not bother dipping it in hot water because that would be a disaster. So just go ahead. So just go ahead and use your mousse, and I promise you it's going to be fine. It's still going to come out great. And after that, I used the hairband to what's it called? The hairband thing to tie her hair up and let it dry. You know, let it sit, and that helped it relax very well. That helped the hair, you know, fall in place. It helped everything, you know, fix up real quick. And then after that, I waited for some time. I just left her. She just ran around the whole house and did her thing. I just left her to do her thing, and then I called her up back to just pull that out because it was already too too dry. So I just pulled that out, and you can see the finished look, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. That way you're helping my channel, you're helping other people to see my channel. And if you can, please share this video with your friends and family. That will also be helpful to me, and I thank you so much for doing that. So please go ahead and click that subscribe button if you haven't already, and click on the notification bell. Look at my beautiful baby girl. Please give this video a big thumbs up. Leave your comments in the comment section, because all this helps my channel to grow. All this helps other people to also find my channel just the way you found it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll definitely be seeing you guys in my next video.
You have to like my YouTube video. You like my video.